Hi Artsy Friends, Dietz here to show you how I make my Color Riot paintings. I'm using a high viscosity or thick Pebeo paint. You can see I'm using the Dyna Green and Turquoise and the Fluorescent Pink. Now I'm squishing the pages together and then using, in this case, a marker, but you can also use a brayer to rub and squish those paints together and then gently pull apart those pages so you can maintain this beautiful texture. Then we're going to highlight that texture by using markers. So here's Pebeo's acrylic marker in the 15mm tip, and now I'm showing you the 4Artist oil paint marker, also in the 15mm tip. And you're going to find that these oil markers dry shiny and the acrylic markers dry with a matte finish. The acrylic markers come in 48 different colors, and oh, look at this silver in the oil paint marker. I think that's my favorite. And the oil paint markers come in 18 different colors. So you see how it highlights that texture. Now I hope you'll grab some paints and markers and make your own Color Riot painting.